Winning. 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 Winning.
I'm a winner, not a loser.
Winning.
What's up, what's up, what's up, YouTube family? Our battle back with another session. $20 session, but let's see what we can get out of these winner chicken dinners. Ticket 14 and 15. And I only bought one of these because they don't do me right. So I need to just either buy a lot of them or buy one at a time. What y'all think I should do? But I like this ticket though, because I like the concept. We need that double plus or one plus. One plus you get $50 extra. And then two pluses you get $100 extra on top of the prize. 10x, 20x, boom. But we're going to save that for last. Silly me. Tricks are for kids. Hey, my battery died. I wasn't even paying no attention. But let's keep it going. We got ticket 15, ticket 14. Of course, we're trying to match our numbers to their numbers. I'm really looking for that $500 burst. 5x and a trophy for a win all. I found that trophy one day for a $30 win on this. So, I don't want the trophy no more unless it's all hundreds. I need the 5x or that $500 burst or this bonus symbol. Let's go. Sorry about that. Out of focus. Bonus spot, ticket 14. Oh, one off. Come on. Don't play with me. 26, 30, 22, 29, and 35. 23 for Jordan. 44 for whoever. 32. Magic. 29, one off. 12. 41. No. 9. Put a 2 on the front of that. 16. That's a no. 31. That's with a 1 off. 22 with another 1 off. Come on. 26. And we found a match. All right, y'all. 22 and another match. 2 matches, y'all. 2 matches. 42. Okay. They stopped the streak. 15. 14. 25. 1 off. 43 and 33. All right, y'all. Winner. Winner, chicken dinner. 22. 4. Oh, my goodness. $25. What? What's this? $25? Oh my goodness. $50 win off a $5 ticket? What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a 10x. 10x win. Let's go with the next one. All right, winner, chicken dinners. I can definitely buy me a few chicken dinners with that. That's for sure. Can we get back to back? 3 too many. 25, 14, 32, Magic, 42 for whoever number that is, and 13. 8 for Kobe.
2 seconds for the win. Got it.
You know I'm about to run that clip, right? You know it. All right. 9. 8, 9. 26. That was one of our winners on the last ticket. 27. Oh, 1 off. 2 off. 1 off. Gamblers say we need 1 on. Let's go. 28. No. 22. That was a winner on the last ticket. 38. 21. No. 16. 12. 1 off. 39. 37. 15 with the one off with the 14. 25. Oh my God. Back to back. Y'all see that? Ticket 14 and ticket 15. Oh, my losing streak is officially over. Thank you. I've scratched a few winners in a row now, so man, I was scratching losers back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Thank y'all for sticking in with me while I was losing every day. All right, y'all. Winner on 25. 43. We got that one off and 36. Okay. Could be a ticket. I think it's a ticket win. And it is a ticket, but hey, it was a profit session with this $50 win. Now it's a $55 win. And it's only a $20 session. All right, y'all. Let's see if we could get 3 in a row. I'm looking for that plus symbol, preferably a double plus. 29, 37, 31, 48, 45, and who's that? What number is that, y'all? I'll tell you. 8 for Kobe. All right, y'all. Let's see if we could get this triple trifecta. 35. 47 with the one off. 13 with the none off. 42. 7 with the one off. Come on, quit playing. 14. 22. 9 with the one off. That's enough one-offs, y'all. 31 with that one-off. Lucky number 11. 24 for Kobe, but we need 8. 12. Come on. 46. 1 off. 2 off. 25. No. 41. That's a no. 43 with the 2 off and the 5 off. 36 with the 1 off. They playing with me with this ticket, but I'm so happy it's a winning session already. 16, 28 with the 1 off with the 29, and 26. And it's okay because I got a ticket and $50 off a $5 ticket, y'all. Go ahead and hit that like button. I know you want to. Hit that subscribe button because you wanted to hit the like button. And hit the notification button because you wanted to hit the like button and the subscribe button. You could do it all in that order too. I don't mind. Thanks for watching, y'all. Like and subscribe. Our battle out.